everyone. Mathematics is the gate and key of the science. Neglect of mathematics works injury to all knowledge, since one who is ignorant of it cannot know the other science. In this video, we are going to see Chapter 5, Binomial Theorem, Episode 5. Now, we are going to see finite series. What is finite series? A finite series is a summation of the sequence that has an end. They don't go on forever. The binomial theorem states that when you have a finite polynomial of the form a plus b to the nth degree, where a and b are terms, your answers can be found by these summations. Finite series also have finite samples space. Now let us discuss some exercise problem. Exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progressions having the sum of first 10 terms as 52 and the sum of the first 15 terms as 77. Given is sum of first 10 terms as 52. S10. S10 equal to 52 and S15 equal to 77. Now we need to find sum of the first 20 terms, that is S20. Here we are using the formula arithmetic progression. Sum of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S10 is 50, that is n is 10, which is equal to sum of the 10 terms is 52. Then n is 10 by 2 into 2a plus n is 10 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 52. Already in the question they have given sum of the first 10 terms is 52. Then we get 10 divided by 2 is 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d, which is equal to 52. 2a plus 9d is equal to 52 by 5. Consider as 1. Next we need to find S15. S15 is equal to 77. Now in the place of n we have to substitute 15. Therefore S15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2a plus 15. N place substitute 15. 15 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 77. 15 by 2 into 2a plus 14. 15 minus 1 is 14d, which is equal to 77. Then 2a plus 4d. 2a plus 14d. 2a plus 14d, which is equal to 77 into 15 by 2 will become 2 by 15. 2a plus 14d is equal to 77 into 2 is 154 by 15. Consider as second equation. Next we need to solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. First equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 52 by 5. Consider as 1. 2a plus 14d is equal to 154 by 15 as 2. Now I am changing the sign and I am cancelling the first term 2a. Then 9 minus 14d is minus 5d is equal to 52 by 5 minus 154 by 15. Then we have to take LCM in the right hand side. 15 is the LCM. Minus 5d equal to 156 into 3. If you are doing 52 into 3 is 156. 5 into 3 is 15. 156 minus 154 by 15. Then minus 5d equal to 2 by 15. Then d is equal to 2 by 15 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 2 by 75. Next, we need to find A. To find A, substitute D value in the first equation. The first equation is 2A plus 9D is equal to 52 by 5. Now, in the place of D, I am going to substitute minus 2 by 75. 2A plus 9 into minus 2 by 75 is equal to 52 by 5. 2A minus 18 by 75 is equal to 52 by 5. Now collect all the numbers to the right hand side. Then 2A equal to 52 by 5 minus 18 by 75 will become plus 18 by 75. The right hand side we need to take LCM. LCM is 75. Then we get 2A equal to 780 plus 18 by 75. 2A equal to 780 plus 18 is 798 by 75. Now we need to find A. A equal to 798 by 75 into 2. Now I am going to do the cancellation. 1 time is 2. Here 3 2s are 6. 9 2s are 18. Once again 9. Next I am going to cancel this one with 3. I will get 2 3s are 6. Balance 1 5. Here 1 times 3 3. So we are getting A value as 133 by 25. Now we found the value for A and D. Next we need to find sum of the first 20 term, that is S20. S20 equal to N is 20 by 2 into 2A is 798 by 75. 798 by 75 plus N minus 1. N is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19 into D. D value is minus 2 by 75. Now we have to simplify this. 20 by 2 is 10. 798 by 75 plus 19 into minus 2 is minus 38. So which is equal to 10 into 798 minus 38 is 760 by 75. Now we need to do the cancellation. I am going to cancel this one with 5 table. Then I will get 1 times, that is 15 into 5 is 75. Here 1 times 5 2. 152. Which is equal to 1520 by 15. Again I am cancelling with 5. 3 times here 304. So which is equal to 304 by 3. Question number 2. Find the sum up to the 17th term of this series. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot. First I am writing nth term of this series, that is Tn equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot plus n cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot plus 2n minus 1. We know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot plus n cube, which is equal to n by n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Already I have learned this formula in 10th grade. Sum of the odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. So Tn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square divided by n square, which is equal to n square into n plus 1 the whole square. 2 square is 4 by n square. N square and n square will be cancelled. Then we will get n plus 1 the whole square by 4, which is equal to n plus 1 the whole square is n square plus 2n plus 1 by 4. Next I am going to find sum of this is equal to 1 by 4 into summation of n square 2 into summation of n plus summation of 1. We know that summation of n square is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Summation of n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we are going to substitute this formula here. Then we get 1 by 4 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2 plus summation of 1 is n. 1 plus 1 plus dot up to n terms. So summation of 1 is n, which is equal to 1 by 4 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. N into n plus 1 by 1 plus n. Now in the place of n, I am going to substitute 17 because the question they have given, we need to find sum of 17th term. So n is nothing but 17. So S17 equal to 1 by 4 into n place you substitute 17. N plus 1 is 18. 2 into 17 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35 by 6 plus n is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18 plus n is 17. Is equal to 1 by 4. 17 into 18 into 35 is 1785 plus 17 into 18 is 306 plus 17, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1785 plus 306 plus 17 is equal to 2108. So now I am going to cancel with 4 1 times. 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8, 28, 7. So sum of the 17th term of the series is 5 to 7. Question number 3. Calculate the sum of first n terms of 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 plus dot dot. Already you have learned this type of problem in 10th grade. It's a very easy problem. First what you have to do, we have to take 8 commonly out. Then we get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus dot dot. Next we need to multiply and divide by 9. Now I am going to have 8 by 9 as it is, and I am going to multiply 9 inside the bracket. Then we get 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus dot dot dot. Next I am going to write 9 as a 10 minus 1. 99 as 100 minus 1. 999 as 1000 minus 1 plus dot dot, which is equal to 8 by 9, 10 minus 1 plus 100 I can write as 10 square minus 1, 1000 as 10 cube minus 1 plus dot dot. I am going to rearrange this, which is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot dot minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 8 by 9, 10 into 10 square plus 10 cube, 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot dot minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 dot dot, which is equal to minus n, which is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot dot minus n. It is in the form of GP. Here A value is 10. To find R value, second term divided by first term, third term divided by second term. Second term divided by first term is 10. Third term divided by second term also is 10. So the R value is 10. Now we are going to find the sum of this term. Sn equal to, the formula for GP is Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here A value is 10. R value is also 10, which is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n, which is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus n. Now I am going to multiply 8 by 9 inside the bracket. Then we get 8 into 10 is 80 by 9 into 9 is 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 into n is 18 by 9. Now it's time for math puzzle. I will predict your number. How predictable are you? Let's find out. In front of you are the numbers 1 to 16. Pick a number. You can take any of the 16 numbers. Remember your number you picked. Then, now you have to pick a second number, but one condition. I want the number to be in different row and in different column from the first number you picked. For example, if you picked a number 10 as your first number, the next number you pick should not be in the same row and should not be in the same column. But you can pick any of the remaining numbers. Remember, first number you picked and second number you picked. Then pick a third number that's in different row and in different column from all other numbers. Now you have to pick a fourth number that also in different rows and different columns from the previous three numbers you picked. Now you have to pick a fourth number that also in different rows and different column from the previous three numbers you picked. Now you picked four numbers and you play according to the different rows and different columns. Your number might have end up working something like this. Add up your numbers. Here we have 2 plus 13 plus 11 plus 8. Sum of these numbers is 34. So whenever you are adding this 4 number, you need to get the answer as 34. Question number 4. Compute the sum of first n terms of 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 square plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 square plus 4 cube plus dot dot. First I am finding nth term of the series. Tn equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4 square plus 4 cube plus dot dot 4 power n. It is in the form of GP. So A value is 1. To find R value, we have to divide second term by first term. So 4 by 1 is 4. So R value is 4. The formula is Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here A value is 1. R is 4. 4 power n minus 1 by R minus 1. R minus 1 is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 4 power n minus 1 by 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, we need to find Sn. Sn equal to 1 by 3 into summation of 4 power n minus summation of 1. We know that summation of 1 is n. 1 by 3 into, we are going to give the value of n as 1 to n. So we get 4. 4 power 1 is 4 plus 4 square plus 4 cube plus dot dot 4 power n minus summation of 1 is n. It is also in the form of GP, which is equal to A is 4 and R is 4. Sn, that is 1 by 3. A value is 4, R is 4, 4 power n minus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus n, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 4 power n minus 1 by 4 minus 1 is 3 minus n. Now I am going to multiply 1 by 3 inside the bracket. Then I will get 4 into 4 power n minus 1 by 3 3s are 9 minus n by 3. Question number 5. Find the value of n. If the sum to n terms of the series root 3 plus root 75 plus root 243 plus dot dot is 435 root 3. So, I am going to write root 3 as it is. Root 75 as root 25 into root 3. Root 243 as root 81 into root 3 plus dot dot, which is equal to 435 root 3. In the left hand side, I am going to take root 3 commonly out. Then we get 1 plus root 25 is 5 plus root 81 is 9 plus dot dot, which is equal to 435 root 3. Now cancel root 3 and root 3. So we have 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus dot dot, which is equal to 435. Left hand side is an AP with A value is 1. D value is 4. To find D value, second term minus first term, that is 5 minus 1 is 4. Third term minus second term, 9 minus 5 is 4. So the D value is 4. We know Sn formula for AP. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N by 2, 2 into a is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 4, which is equal to Sn is 435. N by 2 into 2 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into, which is equal to 435. N by 2 into 4n minus 2 is equal to 435. N into 4n is 4n square minus 2 into n is 2n equal to 435 into 2 is 870. Then 4n square minus 2n minus 870, which is equal to 0. Throughout this equation, I am going to divide by 2. Then we get 2n square minus n minus 435 equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. We need to find the factor for this. The factor for this quadratic equation is n minus 15 into 2n plus 29 is equal to 0. Product is minus 870. Sum is minus 1. So, 30 plus 30 minus 30 plus 29 minus 1 minus 30 into 29 is minus 870. So, the factor for this quadratic equation is n minus 15 into 2n plus 29 equal to 0. Now, I am going to equate this factor to 0. Then n equal to 15. 2n plus 29 equal to 0. 2n equal to minus 29. N is equal to minus 29 by 2. N cannot be negative. So, therefore, the value of n is 15. Question number 6. Show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to twice the nth term. So, the given is Tm. Tm, we know the formula. Tm equal to a plus m minus 1 into D. Now, in the place of m, we have m plus n. Then Tm plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into D. Then Tm minus n is equal to a plus m minus n minus 1 into D. We need to show that Tm plus n plus Tm minus n is equal to 2 times Tm. That is, sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to twice the nth term. So, take left hand side. Tm plus n is a plus m plus n minus 1 into D plus Tm minus n is a plus m minus n minus 1 into D. which is equal to a plus a is 2a plus md. I'm going to multiply inside the bracket md plus nd minus d. Here also multiply inside the bracket with d, md minus nd minus d. Here plus nd minus nd will be cancelled. Then we get 2a plus md is 2md minus d is minus 2d. So take 2 commonly out. Then we get a plus md minus d, which is equal to 2 into a plus second term and third term take d commonly out. Then we get m minus 1 into d is nothing but tm. So which is equal to 2tm. That is right hand side. Hence we have proved this. Practice all the sums what I taught today. Do the given worksheet and homework regularly. Today we have discussed some exercise problem. The next class we will see the remaining exercise problems. Thank you.